Hello friends, so how are you guys? I hope you guys will be very good and safe. Friends, today in this video I will discussing about brand new business opportunity comes in market named Relife Care. Relife Care offers you a great business opportunity and this is one of the best profitable and reliable concept in India. But my dear friends, there may be a question in your mind that why we choose Relife Care. So my friends, Relife Care is a unique business opportunity for everyone. While there are many concepts, there are countless opportunity in the market today. But my friends, people struggling to find best business opportunity which is transparent, reliable and profitable. That is why Relife Care is the best business opportunity for you. So my dear friends, we talk about our vision and mission. So we aspire to become the most dynamic and sustainable direct sale company in the world that flourishes even beyond a 100 centuries, as we have always moved beyond 21st centuries in thoughts and action. If we talk about our mission, so my friends, our mission is to become a multinational company with zero debt, an entity to be the best in the world and to have its seat among the top 500 companies in the world. Strive towards excellence and towards global recognition for our service and communicates towards the society. So my friends, let's start business plan. So first we talk about our joining package. So friends, you can start this unique business opportunity just 1995 rupees including GST. Friends, after activation of ID, you will get different types of digital and herbal products worth of 1000 business volume. If we talk about our product, so my friends, you will get 4 types of product. First, spoken English ebook whose worth value 1000 rupees. Memory development ebook whose worth value is 1000 rupees. Vedic Maths ebooks whose worth value is 1000 rupees, and last stage herbal product Ayunova whose worth value MRP rate is 1699 rupees, which is total amount is rupees 4699. But you will get all this product only rupees 1995. Friends, in product you will get ebook with online training and supportive video. So friends, let's talk about our best business opportunity where you earn lots of money. Friends, first, when you purchase 1000 PV, you will get smartphone worth value 8000 rupees. Similarly, if you upgrade your ID with 2500 PV, you will get smart TV worth value 20,000. After upgrade of your ID 5000 PV, you will get laptop as an advance payment worth value of rupees 40,000. Similarly, after upgrade of your ID of 10,000 PV, you will get scooter worth value of 80,000.
Friends, when your ID upgrade will be 25,000 PV, in that case you will receive a bike worth value of rupees 2 lakhs.
In this way, after upgrade of your ID 50,000 PV, you will get gold worth value of 4 lakhs. So my friends, let's discuss about our next advance payments option. If your ID upgrade by 1 lakhs PV, so you will get car worth value of 8 lakhs. And similarly, if you upgrade your ID 2,50,000 PV, you will receive plot worth value of 20 lakhs. Similarly, upgrade of your ID 5 lakhs PV, you will get luxury car worth value of 40 lakhs. And last, if you upgrade your ID 1 crore, so you will get plot worth value of 80 lakhs. So friends, let's talk about business plan advance payment. You can see this chart. Now I will explain you how to distribute this income plan and how to earn lots of money from this platform. Friends, first, after 1000 PV upgrade, you will be eligible for 10 pair income and your per day income will be 1000 rupees. And you also eligible for advance payment of rupees 8000 and your daily capping will be 1000 rupees. Similarly friends, if your purchase order 2500, so your ID upgrade will be 2500 PV because here 1 PV is equal to 1 rupees. In that case, you will get 10 pair daily income and your earning daily is 2500 and you also eligible for advance payment option of rupees 20,000. Daily capping will be 2500. Similarly, if your purchase order is 500, so your ID upgrade will be 5000 PV. And you will eligible for 10 pair income, that means your daily capping is 5000 rupees. In that case also you will be eligible for advance payment of rupees 40,000. Next, 10,000 purchase order. If you purchase 10,000, so your ID upgrade will be 10,000 PV and in that case also you will receive 10 pair income. Your per day income is 10,000 rupees and in that case you will also eligible for advance payment of rupees 80,000. Next, 25,000 purchase order, so in that case your ID upgrade will be 25,000 PV and also 10 pair income daily, that means you will earn per day 25,000 rupees. Also you will eligible for advance payment of rupees 2 lakhs. Next 50,000 purchase order. In that case, you will get upgrade of 50,000 PV and daily capping 50,000 rupees and daily 10 pair capping. You also eligible for advance payment, and in that case, you will get advance payment of rupees 4 lakhs. Next 1 lakh purchase order. If you purchase 1 lakh, so your upgrade will be 1 lakh PV and daily pair 10. Your daily earning will be 1 lakhs and you also eligible for advance payment of rupees 8 lakh. Next 2,50,000 purchase order. If you purchase 2,50,000, so your ID upgrade will be 2,50,000 PV, daily 10 pair capping, and you also eligible for advance payment of rupees 20 lakh. Next 5 lakh purchase order. In that case, your ID will be upgrade with 5 lakhs PV and daily 10 pair capping. That means your daily earning will be 5 lakhs and you also eligible for advance payment option of rupees 40 lakhs. And the last is 10 lakhs purchase order. If you purchase 10 lakhs, your ID will be upgraded with 10 lakhs PV and you also eligible for advance payment of rupees 80 lakhs and your daily capping will be 10 lakhs. Friends, next income is performance bonus income. In this performance bonus income, you will get matching income of 10%, 2 direct compulsory for binary income, daily closing as per package, daily closing and daily payout, and matching income also 1:1 ratio. Friends, let's talk about our franchises commission. If you buy one time 50 packages, you will get 30 rupees per package commission. That means you can earn 450 rupees. Similarly, if you buy one time 50 packages, you will earn per package 50 rupees commission. That means you can earn 2,500 rupees. So friends, let's talk about our terms and conditions. Registration is free. For binary income, 2 direct is compulsory, daily closing and daily payout. Minimum withdrawal 500 rupees. IMPS service available 24/7. Admin charge reduction 5% and TDS charge reduction 5%. Daily cutoff at 12 midnight, and keep remember 1 PV is equal to 1 rupees. So see guys, to invest in yourself, you can run your side business in which you do not even have to spend much time and you have also got a chance to earn much income. So friends, why you are waiting? Just go and start your business and earn more money and fulfill your all dreams. Thank you.